The Costzon electric air fryer. If you guys are obsessed with fried food and worried about your calorie intake, this air fryer is a nice option for you. The hot air circulation system makes it possible to enjoy healthier versions of your favorite foods by frying them with a tablespoon or less of oil and draining excess fat during the cooking process. Rapid air technology circulates air around the entire unit, heating up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure all food is cooked evenly and thoroughly. Food becomes crispy on the outside and tender on the inside with little or no oil. The air fryer does just more than fry. It can also grill, roast, or even bake your favorite foods. So you have more options when feeding your family and entertaining guests. This air fryer features a pan and handle, easy to operate feature, power on knob cancel button, operating with a combination of high to high speed air circulation, adjustable temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 30-minute timer with a ready signal and auto shutoff, safety with air inlet and air outlet openings, large cooking capacity, touchscreen control panel with a liquid crystal display, which in this pan you can also fry, roast, bake or grill with little or no oil. So if you guys are interested in this product, which I highly recommend it, because as you're seeing here, I'm also making stuffed mushrooms cooked in the air fryer and also going to be doing some traditional homemade fries, and both came out perfect, just like if you were baking it in your oven or frying this in oil. The fries were really crispy, crunchy and delicious. Now I made my fries plain and I salted them after, but if you wanted to season the fries before they went into the air fryer, that is another option. Look how beautiful those fries look, and without oil. Now when I tasted it, it was very crispy and very crunchy and very pillowy soft on the inside. So I really love this product. I give it 100% thumbs up. So if you guys are interested in it, I will leave the link for it down below in the description box. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!